Are you a woman over 35 and struggle with losing weight? Do you feel unconfident because of how you look when you stand in front of a mirror? If so, make sure you pay attention to this entire video because inside you will learn a foolproof strategy specifically designed for women over 35 to lose weight fast. 1. Stop eating breakfast. It has been said for years that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. However, if you want to lose weight and burn body fat, breakfast often stands in the way. This is because the standard Western breakfast is made up of mostly carbohydrates in the form of breads and cereals. Carbohydrates cause insulin levels to increase, and elevated insulin levels results in the inability of your body to break down and use stored body fat for energy. Skip breakfast to keep insulin levels down and fat burning up. Instead of breakfast, drink some black coffee and some lemon water to kickstart your metabolism at the start of the day. 2. Get better quality sleep. It's very common for middle-aged women to be sleep deprived as they try to take care of all their responsibilities in a day. Many women don't spend enough hours in bed at night, or their sleep quality is compromised due to excessive thinking and anxiety. Meaning that the hours in bed they should be sleeping they spend staring at the ceiling anxious about something in their life that needs to be taken care of. A lack of sleep results in a stressed body, and the more stressed your body is the less efficiently it is able to break down and burn body fat. This is because stress hormones block body fat from being utilized properly for energy. So the less sleep you get, the more stressed your body becomes and it becomes less effective at burning body fat. If you struggle to fall asleep and/or stay asleep at night, this could very well be due to a magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is critical for your body to relax and fall asleep. That's why for women who struggle with sleep it is recommended that they supplement with magnesium. Although magnesium capsules can be helpful, the best way to absorb magnesium into your system is via a spray that gets absorbed through the skin. To learn more about the purest magnesium oil on the planet, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/magnesium-sleep-aid, or click the link in the description below, to claim your free trial bottle and discover the amazing calming effects of magnesium. 3. Lift weights to kickstart your metabolism. One of the best ways for women to supercharge their metabolism is by lifting weights and putting on muscle mass. The reason increasing muscle mass is so effective for increasing metabolism is because muscle is an active tissue that requires calories even when it's not being used. This means that the more muscle mass you have on your body, the more calories your body burns just for maintenance. The biggest objection to lifting weights for most women is that they don't want to end up big and bulky, looking like some kind of bodybuilder or weightlifter. However, this is a common misconception because muscle gains in women will manifest as body tone rather than bulk. This is because women don't have enough testosterone in their system to put on mass amounts of muscle bulk. So improvements in muscle mass becomes increased density of muscles, which will make you look more toned and fit rather than big and bulky. Follow these 3 tips starting today to kickstart your metabolism and start losing weight fast. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below right now.